In this video, we're going to be having a look at linear simultaneous equations. So this first question says, solve the following linear simultaneous equations. We've got 3x plus y equals 7 and 2x plus 5y equals 8. So when we're dealing with simultaneous equations, we either need to make all of the x's the same or all of the y's the same. And we do this by multiplying either equation 1 by a number or equation 2 by a number, or sometimes we have to multiply both equations by two different numbers to make the numbers in front of either the x's or the y's the same. So in this case, we can make the y's the same if we multiply equation 1 by 5. So 5 multiplied by 3x gives me 15x. 5 multiplied by y is 5y. And then 7 times 5 is 35. And then we keep equation 2 the same, so 2x plus 5y equals 8. Now when the signs are the same, we subtract, and when the signs are different, we add. And we're talking about the signs of the numbers that we made the same. So we made the y's the same. We had plus 5 here and plus 5 here, and the signs are the same. In this case, we have two positive signs. So we're going to subtract the equations. So 15x subtract 2x gives me 13x. 5y subtract 5y is 0. And then 35 subtract 8 is 27. So x is going to equal 27 over 13. So this was 13 times x. So to move this 13 to the other side, we divide both sides by 13, and that's how we get x equals 27 over 13. Now this is the value for x. We also need to get the value for y when we're doing simultaneous equations. So we need to substitute this value back into either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'm going to choose equation 1. So we've got 3 multiplied by x. X in this case is 27 over 13 plus y, and this is equal to 7. So 3 multiplied by 27 over 13. This gives me 81 over 13 plus y equals 7. So if we subtract both sides of the equation by 81 over 13, 7 subtract 81 over 13, and this gives me 10 over 13. So x is equal to 27 over 13 and y is equal to 10 over 13. Looking at question 2, we've got solve the following linear simultaneous equations. We've got 2x plus 4y equals 14 and 4x subtract 4y, and this is equal to 4. So when we're doing simultaneous equations, the first step is to either make the x's the same or the y's the same. Now in this case, the y's are already the same. We've got a 4 and a negative 4. When the signs are different, we add the two equations together. So we're actually going to add these two equations together because the signs in front of the 4's are different. So 2x plus 4x is equal to 6x. 4 plus negative 4 is 0, and this is equal to 14 plus 4, which is 18. So x is equal to 3, just dividing both sides by 6. And then we substitute this x back into either equation 1 or equation 2 to get the value for y. So I'm going to choose equation 1. So 2x, which is 2 times 3, plus 4y, and this is equal to 14. So 6 plus 4y is equal to 14. Therefore, if we subtract 6 from both sides of the equation, we get 4y, which is equal to 8. And then if we divide both sides of the equation by 4, we get that y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Question 3 says solve the following linear simultaneous equation. We've got 5x minus 3y equals 24 and 2x subtract 4y equals 4. So again, step 1 is to make either all of the x's the same or all of the y's the same. Now in this case, we're going to have to multiply equation 1 and equation 2 by a number. If we multiply equation 1 by 2 and multiply equation 2 by 5, we're going to get 10x in equation 1 and 10x in equation 2. 2 multiplied by negative 3y is negative 6y, and 24 times 2 is equal to 48. 5 multiplied by negative 4y is negative 20y, and this is equal to 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. So we look at the signs of the numbers we made the same. In this case, they're both positive 10, so we're going to subtract the equations from each other. So 10x subtract 10x is 0, and then we've got minus 9 minus minus 20. This is equal to 14y, which is equal to 48 subtract 20, which is 28. And then if we divide both sides of the equation by 14, y is equal to 2. Now we're going to substitute this y equals 2 value into either equation 1 or equation 2. Let's choose equation 2. So 2x subtract 4 times 2, which is equal to 4. So 2x minus 8 is equal to 4. If we add 8 to both sides, 2x is equal to 12. So that means x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. This next question says solve the following linear simultaneous equation: 3x plus 2y equals 7 and 4x minus 3y equals 15. So we either need to make all of the x's the same or all of the y's the same. So what I'm going to do here is multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. So looking at equation 1, we're going to get 12x plus 8y, and this is equal to 28. And then for equation 2, we've got 4x times 3, which is 12x, minus 3 times 3, which is minus 9y, and this is equal to 15 times 3, which is 45. So looking at the signs of the numbers we've made the same, they're both positive, so the signs are the same, so we're going to subtract the equations. So 12x minus 12x is 0, 8 minus minus 9 gives us 17y, and then 28 subtract 45, this is equal to minus 17, so dividing both sides of the equation by 17, we get y equals minus 1, and then substituting this value back into, let's say, equation 1, we've got 3x plus 2 times negative 1 equals 7, so 3x minus 2 equals 7, and then solving this equation, we're going to add 2 to both sides to get 3x equals 9, so that means x is equal to 3. So looking at these two questions here, we've got wordy problems. So 2 different families pay for entry into a water park. Family 1 has 2 adults and 3 children at the cost of a total of £20. So family 1 has 2 adults and 3 children at the costs of £20. Family 2 has 1 adult and 4 children at the cost of £15. The question says work out the cost of 1 adult ticket and 1 child ticket. So to do this, we're going to use simultaneous equations. We're going to do 2a plus 3c equals 20 and 1a plus 4c equals 15. If we multiply equation 2 by 2, we're going to get the number in front of a the same. So 2a for the first equation and 2a for the second equation. Plus 3c equals 20, and then for equation 2 we get 2a plus 8c, and this is equal to 30. So the signs in front of the numbers we've made the same are both positive, so we're going to subtract the equations from one another. 3 subtract 8 is equal to negative 5c, and then 20 subtract 30 gives me negative 10. So dividing both sides of the equation by negative 5, we get c, which is equal to 2. So the cost of a child ticket is £2. And then to get the cost of an adult ticket, we substitute 2 into either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's choose equation 2. So we've got a plus 4 times 2 equals 15. So a plus 8 is equal to 15. So if we subtract 8 from both sides of the equation, a is equal to £7. So the cost of an adult ticket is £7. Pause the video and have a go at this next question, and then drop your answer in the comments. Remember to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.